Hello everyone, welcome here to Musicians Edition for another guitar lesson. My name is Evan, and in this video we're going into the 4th string on the guitar, breaking down the 3 notes that we're going to add to our repertoire now. If you've been keeping up with my videos, we've been going through the strings one by one, from the high E, down to our 2nd string, 3rd string, and now 4th string, which is going to be the D string. So we're going to focus on 3 notes for this string. We're going to play D openly. We're going to play E on the 2nd fret, right there on that 4th string. And we're going to play F on the 3rd fret. And then we would go up to G on the 5th fret, but we can also just play that by going down to that 3rd string and playing it openly. Those are going to be the same notes there. So we're just focusing on adding this D, E, and F. Okay, so you can see what that looks like on the tabs there. You can also see what it's going to look like on our sheet music too. So you can see we have D, that's going to be just below the bottom line of that treble clef staff. We have E, that's going to be right on that bottom line. And F is going to be on the bottom space right there. So that's D, E, F, what we're adding today. For those interested, we can also go ahead and figure out every single note on this D string. We can look at all the sharps and flats that are included on here. So I'll name them all as sharps for this one here. We have D, obviously played openly, D sharp on that 1st fret. We talked about E on the 2nd, F on the 3rd. If we keep going up, we're going to get F sharp on the 4th. And then we talked about G on that 5th fret. You can play G sharp on the 6th. Then we go A sharp. We have B, that's going to be on the 9th fret there. We play C, C sharp, and then D on those double dots, which is on the 12th fret. That's our signal that we have gone up 1 octave. So D versus D. All right, that is everything on this string. Let's go ahead and bring it back to just the D, E, and F we're going to practice with for today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at some patterns here that we can play out just to practice playing with these 3 strings. We're not going to do anything too complicated in this video, just bouncing back and forth between these notes so we can get used to them. And then to stay tuned to future videos where I will go into playing on all 4 of these strings, and we'll see what we can make on our guitar with those. All right, so for now, reminder, we're going to play D, we're going to play E, and we're going to play F. Open 2nd and 3rd frets. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. So we're going to go ahead and just start off by getting comfortable with it. You can see the sheet up there now. We're just going to go ahead and get started with 2 Ds played openly. Bring it up to E twice and F twice there. Those are half notes, so they would be a bit more spaced out, but just to show you what we're going to be playing there. And make sure you do have figured out what fingers you want to use for each of these. You can use your index finger and your middle, or you can use your ring finger as well too, with index or middle back here for the E. Whatever feels comfortable for you, go ahead and play around with it. I think I am going to go with my index finger and then my ring finger here. But go ahead and figure out what you think is most comfortable for you. Practice going up and down with those 3 notes. See what you like. Play around with different fingerings. And see what's comfortable for you. We'll go ahead and give it a shot playing this out though. Okay, so I'm going to play this nice and easy. I'm going to count us down here, and we'll go ahead and give this a shot. 1, 2, here we go. There we go, that is it. So that is that first line of this. I'll keep it up here so you guys can make sure you can go ahead and practice it until you are comfortable with it. Of course, quicken up your pace so you can get through this faster and faster. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to just one more line that we'll play in this video. All right, so you can see this one, instead of all of these half notes, we're gonna be doing more quarter notes in this one. So let's go ahead and give that a try. I will count us down again. Keep up with me if you're able to. I will go nice and slow for you guys. 1, 2, here we go. There you go. Take some time to practice that one. I will play that one more time and just go a little bit quicker here for those who are ready for it. So 1, 2, Here we go. And we are done. That is it for our 3 new notes. All right, and there you go. That is our quick breakdown of going into the 4th string. We have now added D, E, and F onto our knowledge of strings that we can play here. We are sticking with those natural notes for now before we jump into more sharps and flats. So all together here, what we have is D, E, F, and then we did that 3rd string as well too, which we learned G played openly, and A on that 2nd fret. Then we moved up to the B string, so we can play that B string openly, that 2nd string. We also did C, and we did D there. And then on that top E string, we did E played openly. We did F on that 1st fret, and we did G on the 3rd fret. So that is everything we have down so far. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Ooh, D there it is. E, F, G. There it is. Have fun playing, and we'll see you next time so we can learn how to combine these notes together and see what we can come up with. Have fun playing, and we'll see you then.